What's up, everybody? So right now I'm in the S2000. We're headed to the racetrack. If I look half alive, it's because I am half alive. It's barely 6 in the morning and I was up pretty late working on the car. Headed to the racetrack today finally to see how she does. Let's get into today's video. Rolling up to Auto Club. I got a GT350 behind me and a Jason with his Viper, and we got Ryan in front of me. So here's Ryan's rig. That thing got heavy? What up? Alright, here we are. Auto Club Speedway. Let's get in there, get set up. Let's go. I've said it before, but if you guys haven't been to Auto Club, you have to drive forever to get to wherever you need to go because this place is massive. They have a huge speedway here. So we're just driving to the back to get to the paddock and then we'll set up. All right, guys, so we're here at the track. We got Ryan's RV here. He's got the Tesla that you can see behind me. So that should be interesting. Hopefully we'll get some laps with him. He's gonna take the Tesla out on the track. We got GT350. We also have Alex's Jag. We have my car. We have Jason's Viper. And we have a Civic Type R behind me. So we're just getting set up right now. Let us get set up and I'll show you guys what we're getting into.
You can start driving on the track as if you were on the track, okay? It's very, very important that you guys enter the track that way. You guys might be coming down, that back straight and feel that urge to get over on the racing surface. Meanwhile, there's somebody in a ZR1 or something doing 160 miles an hour and you're doing 40 miles an hour. It's 120 mile an hour closing speed. You might look in your mirror and say, oh yeah, it's fine to get up there. And then all of a sudden, somebody's right there and makes contact with you, all right? So it's very important that you don't go up on the racing surface. You stay down low on the apron until you get down through turns 3 and 4.
All right, check out this setup, guys. So this is us over here. Got the RV, all the cars parked. Here's the track, so you go all the way around there. Sick looking mountains in the back. And the cars, most of the cars are on the back street. You can probably hear them. They're about to come over here. It's like this huge freaking just speedway thing that you just rip down. So here comes some of the cars here. Corvette flying. There goes Ryan in the Tesla, ripping it. All right, so Ryan just came off in the Tesla and I'm up right now, so let's go ahead and get ready and get out there. All right, we're in staging. We're gonna go out. I got the GoPro here, so the rest of the footage will be off the GoPro for this one. So braking is definitely an issue for me. I have to get some different pads on there because when I was coming into the corners, there was tons of cars that were catching up to me coming into the corner just because I can't brake as well as they can. So I know the S2000 brakes are decent. We got those steel braided brake lines on there, but we have to get different pads on now. Check this out. There's literally like a Red Bull Formula car on the track with everybody else. Watch, she's coming around here.
Have you seen this? Is Ryan in this one?
Yeah.
Hey, Ryan's in this one. Says that. Look, him and Michael.
Watch, here it comes. I'm up, Tesla's off. What happened?
Hey, what happened?
Battery died out like the second lap. We felt it on the second lap get slower, and then it just boom. Done.
He's out?
Ryan thinks he can't fit. How tall are you? 6 foot what?
6'8".
6'8". Is the seat all the way back?
Yep. Oh, you don't fit in there, man.
Damn. He wasn't lying. Oh, look, you're in. You're in.
Really? Really? We crashed. I'm fucking losing my legs.
You're in. Lock the door. Lock the door.
Hey, Mike. Let's go.
All right, so 6'8" doesn't fit in S2000. It's been confirmed. It's been confirmed.
Get this.
That's how I have to stop, but my brakes don't want to do it.
Yeah, I know, man.
Maybe we can learn something from this guy. We can keep up.
What does that mean, yellow?
I think I just gotta stand on my brakes more, dude, even though they suck.
Well, where's the place to push it at? I think these two cars are the best place to push it. That was clean, nice.
Like, that's fucking sketchy. I have to, like, stand on the brakes to do that.
Oh, really? Yeah. That's a lot,
I
right?
mean, I can do it. It just doesn't feel like confidence, you know?
Yeah, man.
Mustang's right. He's been back there for so long.
Maybe that's the next time we're running.
Maybe we hold them off. We can lose them over there, though. That's the fastest I've gone around there.
Hey, bro.
All right, so the last run, we did our best run. We did a 205, 206. I'll double check right now. These guys are all headed out. We got Mike in the bagged R8. Hey, you gonna go drift or track or what?
Oh, man, I'm already drifting and drafting.
Damn, son!
All day.
Damn! And we got the GT350 out there. He's hitting it up. We got the Viper over here cooling down too. It's a ton of engine and a ton of heat. Damn, you can feel it coming off right now. Even the little S2's cooking out there, but it's a hot day. So it is 100, I think it's 105 at least, maybe 110 right now. It's nuts outside. Super hot. Woo! Hey!
Finish the stripe to your under.
All right, so I just double checked. I did run a 206.2. That was with a passenger. I think I'm gonna have another passenger for this one again because Jason with the Viper wants to come for a ride, which is cool. So I'm not trying to like set lap records right now, but I'm probably gonna have another passenger, which with this car and this tiny little motor, all the weight difference does make a difference, but just gonna go out and have some fun and that'll be it. All right, so we're up for our third session. We're in staging, or the grid they call it. So what they do is like, see all these cones here? Depending on what your lap time was, because we have a transponder on, they line you up that way. So we're 17th, I believe right now. And then the faster cars over there, the slower cars are to the left of us. And we're faster than that, what, $200,000 car?
Probably.
300? I don't even know how much that is. It's an Aventador sitting over there. So somehow we're faster than that. So little old girl's not doing too bad. We got Jason with us, so should have some fun. Let's go, buddy! Woo-hoo-hoo! We just came off the track. We got Jason going out. And we also got his buddy in the GT350. So we'll see what they end up doing. They're just, this is their first time out. So they're just out here having fun, nothing too serious, but awesome to get everybody out here. All right, so we hit our fastest time, 204s, but at the same time we ran 204s with Jason in the car, and he's a good 200 pounds, and we also ran it with no brakes. You guys are gonna die laughing when you see this. Let me show you what we did to the brakes. And these pads were like good at the beginning of the day. All right, so check this out. This is like all brake dust. This is cake, like there's chunks of brake pad or whatever this all is. Check out this side. You can see the metal flakes, like we literally cooked them. You could hear them, so pulled off, but like look at this, just like chunks of pad. Literally chunks of pad. All in here. That's all pad. Dude, no, look. That look at that is chunks of pad.
This right here too.
Like literally fucking look at it. It's all
Well, I think that's our compound.
no, that's chunks of pad in there for sure. It's right where the brakes are.
Yeah, down there. Yeah, this is our compound.
That is, but what about there? Like right where the brakes are? That's gotta be fucking pad.
No, that's our compound too, dude.
Look at the difference there. Look at the difference there.
That's fucking hilarious, dude. That's what my wheels are supposed to look like. That's what they're supposed to look like.
Racetrack powder coating.
Shit. Alright guys, that's a wrap, so we're gonna head out. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Hopefully we'll get some more runs in once we clear out some of the kinks on the car. Probably gonna do another video on taking those brakes apart because those things are roasted. So anyways, you guys, see you on the next one. Take care.